Hi guys, this is going to be a brief video lesson on how to complete assignment 3.2, Evaluating Poetry, The Haunted Oak. I find that some students have a little bit of a hard time understanding the directions for this assignment because the format of the assignment is pretty different than what we typically see in this class. So here I am on the 3.2 assignment page. And you'll notice the directions ask you to first read the poem, The Haunted Oak. Then it wants you to click the link, How to Interpret and Respond, Interpreting and Responding to the Haunted Oak link. And that would be this link right here. That is a link to a student essay. So a student has written an essay on this poem. And what I want you to do is read the poem, read the student's essay, and then within the student's essay, while you're reading the essay, I want you to take a highlighter, and I want you to highlight places in the poem, places in the essay where the student talks about each one of these things in the list 1 through 10. So take your highlighter and tell me, where does the student discuss the poem's tone? Where does the student cite lines and phrases from the poem to support a point? Where does the student briefly paraphrase the poem? And so on. So when you're done, you'll have a copy of the student essay with your highlights. Then you're going to click to the assignment, and you're going to, when you get to the text box, okay, when you get to your box, you're going to copy and paste the student's poem. So go back to that link, Interpreting and Responding to the Haunted Oak. You're going to copy and paste the essay into your text box. Then within that essay, you're going to go through and show me the places that you highlighted. And the way you're going to do that is by typing in caps where you noted that the student did those things. I know that's a little bit hard to understand just from explaining, so I wanted to show you one of your classmates who did this assignment correctly, and I wanted to show you what it looks like when it's all done the way it's supposed to be, and I did get his permission to share this with you. Okay, so you can see here that he copied the text of the poem in here, and then he, in caps, showed me where the student essay did each one of these things. So of course what you can do is, you have the list right above you, so all you have to do is retype them in caps where you see the student having completed them in the essay. And then of course the bottom part is just the reflection. Most of you did that fine. A lot of people will get like 5 out of 25 on the assignment because the reflection was fine, but the first part they didn't do correctly. So again, remember, I'm not asking you to answer these questions from the poem. I'm asking you to read the student essay and find the places in the essay where the student found these aspects of the poem. Okay, so it's a little bit different style of assignment than you're used to, so I just think it's helpful to see an example of what I mean as an example of what I mean when I ask for this assignment. Okay, so any other questions, let me know. Thank you.